Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner, and on this video I'm going to walk you through how I get prepared to film and record my videos, from prepping, getting this makeup done, getting the hairstyle done, to finding the right spot, finding the right lighting, the tools and equipments that I use. I'm going to walk you through it all. Now, I'm not going to do the editing part of it. I think I'll do that in another video. So if you're interested in seeing how I edit my videos, creating the thumbnails and all that good stuff, then go ahead and subscribe, because I think I'll be doing this series of how I get prepared and how I get my YouTube videos done. So let's jump right into it. So here we go. So first things first, I'm going to work on this hairstyle. Then we get into the makeup, okay? So let's see what we can do. These braids are so old. So I'm not sure if I want to put it in up like this. So sometimes, because I'm batch creating, usually I would do change up my hairstyles. Sometimes I change up my clothes. Sometimes I just change the hairstyle. So let's see. I don't think I'll be doing much changes with this hairstyle. So let's do that. Okay. Yes, so we're going to do a bun. For this set of video, I think that would work better. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we'll be working on these edges. Oh my goodness. So this is what I'll be using. Control my brush. Okay. Let's get into this part. Then you'll see how I look fly. Done. See, and the hair is done. Hair is ready. Okay, let's work on the makeup now. Okay, wash my hands. Okay, so makeup time. Okay, so this is usually just a quick makeup, okay? Not a lot of coverage, just to the point for the videos. So I like to go in with my Sasha Buttercup. I think I got this on Amazon. If you're interested in the makeup stuff, let me know. I'll add them to my Amazon storefront. So I do that just to prevent the sweating. The shininess. I have oily skin. My face is already washed and moisturized. Okay. And this is the Anastasia. I think this is in dark brown. Dip Brow pomade, dark brown. And this is the brush, Anastasia brush also. So let's get into the brows. I'm not a makeup artist, but I can help myself. Okay. No, I can't do this. I gotta go like this. See that? My sponge. See? See the difference? A little makeup can make. And I do my makeup because I don't know how many viewers, how many people my videos are going to reach, right? So my branding, doing my makeup and looking put together is a part of my branding. Okay, so Then now we go in with the eyeliner. I got my eyeliner here. I can't. I have a problem putting on fake eyelashes. How good are you with fake eyelashes? Are you really good? Let me know in the comments. And then this is LA Girl. Okay, it's powder. So this is a quick, easy makeup. Very quick and easy. It's not too much stuff. See, looks natural. Then my mascara, because I can't do the fake lashes. So I think I just don't have the patience. Sometimes I do. Some of my videos will see. See? We're getting somewhere. Next is, and I'm just going to blush. Which one? Just a little bit. See, just add a little texture. Then we're gonna go in with our solid highlight in the brush. Do my nose. That's it. Now, oh, the lips. Okay, the lips. This is my signature look for my videos. This is the look that you'll see, the look that you'll get from just doing my makeup. So now that we have the makeup out of the way, now let's get into outfits. So usually I batch create, and most time I try to wear black or just what would I say, just a solid color, so that if I have to take clippings from each videos, then I can easily add or subtract clippings. So say, for example, the intro or the outro, or promoting a link, then I can cut when I'm editing. So usually that's what I do. But sometimes I will change my outfits. Sometimes I'll change my hair. I will let down my hair, just change the styling of my hair. So that's the prep part. And usually makeup and prepping takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. And let me know if you like this vlog style format that this is my, maybe my first vlog style format. But let me know in the comments. Bye. See you in my next video.